My name is Jeha, and today we are going to the folder. And last time we made a number guessing program where you guess numbers. So click the practice file and add new file and choose on the bar wait dumpy y. So next we are going to learn about the method def. So there are many functions in Python like print or set starter or and so on. But today we are going to make our own functions using the def method. So say def and hello and a parameter and this is where we set our function. Say print and if we run the program, nothing will happen because we made a function but we did not use the function. So say hello like all the other functions and run the program and it will say hi. Awesome. But you could use variables in the function. So text. And now if we write the parameter again, then this appears. Text is any equals none. So if you write world, nothing will happen. It will just say hi. But if we change this to hello and hello and plus text. So if you run that, it will say hello world. And in a function, you could do anything. So now if there is a variable called running and it keeps track of the game loop, and death, game over. Learning, print, you die. So first, print running. Next, game over. Print. And now you should see a problem where it says true and true. This is because running is private and not for functions that are made. So before setting running to false, use the global method and write running. Now you will see true and false. Great. And now that was all about functions. So bye.